Good morning students. We are going to discuss about the lesson the remaining part of the India's foreign policy. The last video we are discussed basic determinants of your foreign policy, main objective of our foreign policy, article 51 and what is foreign policy. Understand all of you? Okay. Next video we are discuss how India conduct the foreign policy from other nations. India conduct the foreign relations through the Ministry of External Affairs of India or Foreign Ministry. It comes under the Government of India. The Foreign Service Training Institute was established in New Delhi in 1986. It provides the training for the officers of Indian Foreign Services. It's called the IFS. In another one service is called IFS. They are appointed through the UPSC exam, Indian Forest Services. Okay, noted that all of Foreign Minister of India is Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar and Foreign Secretary is Harshavardhan Shringla. All are noted that it is important question, book inside questions. One country relations with other nation, some formalities are followed. So the main tools of our foreign policy are given here. What are they? Let us see about treaties, executive agreements, appointing ambassadors, foreign aid, international trade and armed forces. Okay, let us see about in detail what is treaty. It is formally concluded, ratified and binding agreement between sovereign states or international organization. It is a legally binding between two states. Example, peace trade, territorial boundaries, Treaty of Versailles. What is executive agreement? It is an agreement between the government heads of two or more nations. It is a political binding between the heads of two states. Example, negotiation with the other nations and a trade organization. Next one, appointing ambassador. Who is ambassador? The ambassador is the highest ranking of diplomats who represent abroad represent their country's interest. The ambassador was appointed by the president based on the recommendation of the prime minister and external affairs minister on the basis of agreement two or more 2 or 3 or 4 years. Next one, every nation have embassies. The embassies are the resident of an ambassador. In India 152 embassies have. Next one, international trade, foreign aid and armed forces. What is foreign aid? The foreign aid is nothing but the international transfer of capital, goods or services from a country or international organization for the benefit of the recipient country or population. The aid can be economical level or military level or emergency humanitarian. Next one, international trade. All are know about this. Next one, armed forces. Armed forces mean this place is a international level. The training was given. Listen here, students. Here, listen here, all of you. The first relations with our country is China. At the time, India's Prime Minister is Jawaharlal Nehru. China's Premier is Chu Enlai. Premier means Prime Minister. Okay, that country told Premier. Okay, the two heads of signed the agreement in 28 April 1954. That is called the Five Principles. That is Panchashil.